Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of our Filipino USRNs, PHRNs, and sa lahat po ng ating manonood ngayon. And today, meron na naman po tayong interview. And I know some of you are familiar already with our guest kasi naging guest na po natin siya before, no? And bago po tayo mag-start, papakilala ko yung sarili ko. My name is Janica Valdez. I'll be your host for today's interview with the topic of longer for a reason. Mr. Karamat shares what's behind his contract extension. So, bago tayo mag-start officially, hi Sir John, pakilala ka naman po sa ating mga manonood.
Oh, yes. Hi, Miss Janica. Good evening sa inyo dyan sa Philippines and good morning dito sa amin.
Mhm.
Well, I'm John Karamat, one of the Town Kids nurses here at the US. So, I'm already for 3 years as a pediatric nurse with Town.
Ayan. So, congratulations, sirs, on this milestone, no? And
Oh,
I
yes.
just remember the first time, sir, na parang, nung nag-usap tayo, unang usap natin, sir, parang patapos pa lang. And right now,
I think
you're,
it was patapos ng second year.
yes, second year, sir. Mhm. Ayan, and finally, sir, time flies indeed,
Mm,
no?
yes.
And you're finished with the contract, sir. And I
Mm.
remember back then, sir, no, umpisahan ko to sa tanong na, remember the first time we talked, sir, and I asked you whether if you'll stay with Town or somehow extend your contract with Town, no? And you said you definitely will. And
Oh,
now,
yeah.
and now you certainly fulfill those words, sir, no? And if I may ask po, what inspired you to stay longer with Town?
Well, syempre, ma'am, definitely yung patient ko. Hindi ko rin siya basta-basta rin maiwan. Yeah, and every time na may isip mo na what if na mag-venture ka naman sa ibang career path, syempre pag makikita mo yan, pag pumapasok ka every morning, tas yung bata, gigising, ngingitian ka, tas yayakapin ka, syempre, yun ang isa sa mga factors bakit, ay, parang gusto ko pa rin mag-extend. And of course, syempre, yung parents naman is, hindi ka naman tinuturing na iba, they don't see you as the nurse of their son, siguro tingin na din sa iyo parang family member ka na rin. And of course, syempre sa management ng town, which up till now, very supportive pa rin sila sa akin.
Ayan. So, ibang klase talaga, sir, kapag pedi yan, no? Iba yung touch kapag talagang
Oh, yeah.
kids yung hinahawakan ninyo.
Mm. Syempre, ang kids, hindi naman sila marunong mambola kung ano talaga
Mhm.
ang papakita nila sa iyo. Mm.
Ayun.
So,
Tama, sir. And we actually, sir, commend you and we really appreciate you
oh,
staying because of your patient. That's number one reason.
mm.
And talking about, sir, nabanggit niyo rin yung management to. And aside from management, how have your colleagues, sir, mga katrabaho, kay town, and of course, sige, banggitin na natin, management, syempre big factor yan kung bakit po nag-stay ang isang empleyado, no, sir? Or even families, no?
Mm.
How do they influence you, sir, for you to stay here?
When it comes sa influenced by management,
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
hmm. Well, syempre ma'am, first of all, isa sa mga primary factors bakit I chose to stay is syempre yung management is very supportive.
Mhm.
O ever na may problem ka, tatawagan mo lang ang case manager mo, magre-reply sila agad to help you when it comes to your case. And syempre ma'am, if since may mga times na nagkakasakit ka rin and may time na burnout ka na, gusto mo mag-vacation, ano naman sila when it comes sa paggamit mo ng personal time off mo? No, sometimes no questions asked. If you're sick, they're just gonna tell you na, oh, pagaling ka naman. Oh, I'm so sorry to hear na may sakit ka. Hindi nila sasabihin sa iyo, ay, walang papa sa, ano eh, kaya mo pa ba? So, very supportive sila sa ganun, ma'am.
Mhm. Okay.
Mm.
To add lang, sir, no, nabanggit niyo po in terms of the case managers and all.
Mm.
And if ever you have concerns, clarifications, talagang very hands-on sila, sir, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm. And
Always open ang line nila. Even during,
and they don't force you to work kapag may sakit po kayo.
oh, definitely, ma'am.
Mhm.
Nila ginagawa yun.
Ganyan.
Support na, ma'am eh. They're gonna pagaling ka kagad. I'm so sorry to hear na may sakit ka. And don't worry, kami nagagawa ng paraan.
Yan. Ibang factor po talaga kapag yung management, of course.
Well, of course.
Um, Kahit saan, sir, no? Kahit saang kumpanya yan, sir, kapag yung management, sila yung may problema, mahirap. Pero kapag yung management, they're very helpful, would really
Oh,
make the employees stay.
oh
Yan.
yes,
And now we have Sir John.
katulad yan, parang marriage yan. Kunyari, ako ang husband, si Tao ng wife. Tapos, yung alaga, yung patient namin is yun yung son namin. Siyempre, kahit na gaano mo kamahal yung bata, kung hindi ka namang maligaya na sa asawa mo or sa management, aalis at aalis ka rin.
Tama,
So,
sir.
na iwan pa rin ako. So, yun ang factor na talagang alam natin na maganda mag-manage si Tao.
Ayan. So, thank you, sir, for that, no? And it actually a relief din na marinig yan ng mga nurses natin, of course, most importantly, yung mga nurses natin na nandito sa Philippines. Anxious of ano yung
Mm.
naghihintay sa kanila, ano yung magiging setting nila dyan pagdating sa US.
Oh, yes, syempre, ano yun given na yun yung, syempre, ang natin is fear of the unknown.
Mhm.
Pagpunta ko, ano ba ang nakaabang sa'yo rito? Normal lang din naman yun.
Mhm. Yes, sir, tama po. And sir, in terms of your family naman, are they actually supportive na you decided to extend your stay with town?
Well, of course, ma'am. Syempre, ang isa sa mga factor yun, happy ka pa ba
Mhm.
to stay in town? Since number one supporter ko, since alam naman niyang happy ako sa management and happy rin naman ako sa family saka sa patient ko. So, sinuportahan naman niya ako 100.
Ayan. So, thank you with that, sir. No? And now, let's talk about your career growth naman, sir. 3 years, it's not a joke, no, sir. It's a very long experience somehow. No? And can you tell us, sir, or can you somehow magkwento naman sa amin, sir, how was your career growth during your time with Town Kids?
Well, actually, ma'am, since nung nag-work pa ako sa Philippines, usually kasi hospital setting. So different kinds of patient ang hawak mo. Not like here, talagang exclusive ka sa pediatric case. And at the same time, yung mga ailments or sickness na na-encounter natin is hindi natin usually na-encounter dyan sa Philippines. So, ayun ba, medyo talagang um, yung during the first few months, andun yung adjustment. Pero actually, pag na, ano mo na ma'am, syempre tayo mga Filipino nurses is when it comes to adjustment and adaptability, doon tayo magaling. So, eventually ba, pagka na ano mo na yung case, yung talagang well familiarized ka na, okay na. Smooth sailing na lahat-lahat. Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Siyempre ma'am, ang bata isasama sa doctor consultation, na-expose ka sa talagang mga first class na hospitals dito sa US.
Ayan. Mhm. Thank you, sir, for sharing that, no, sir. For my next question, Sir John, did you
Hmm.
ever feel po that you would be in this situation na you'll be a successful nurse, a successful pediatric nurse, the moment you stepped your foot po in the United States?
Well, like I mentioned earlier, ma'am, syempre pagpasok mo rito, nandun yung of the Tsaka syempre ma'am, nandyan din yung uh, syempre ma'am, yung sa language, hindi naman
Mm.
na magsalita ng English. Pero ang maganda lang naman dito ma'am sa US is if kung magsasalita ka ng English, hindi naman sila very particular na kahit na yung grammar mo is hindi masyado, as long as naiintindihan ka nila. Okay naman sa kanila yun, ma'am. Oo. And syempre, ma'am, yung weather. Mahirap din mag-adjust during the first few
Mhm.
months kasi dito sa New Jersey is talagang malamig. Pero eventually, makaka-adapt naman tayo. And syempre, ma'am, yung first few months, yung loneliness din na hindi mo kasama ang family mo. Kasi syempre, uh, ikaw ang mauuna and susunod na lang sila. Pero nung nandito na sila, ma'am, andun na, unti-unti ka na makaka-cope up, ma'am. So
Mhm.
hanggang sa masanay ka na. So parang akala mo, ma'am, nasa Pilipinas ka na rin.
Ayan.
When,
And mhm. Ayan. Sige sir, since nabanggit niyo po na parang nasa Pilipinas na rin kayo, no, sir. And alam po namin that our trainers mostly ay
Yes.
Filipino. Tama po
Okay.
ba, sir? And
Mhm.
ano pong impact nun, sir, sa tingin niyo para po sa mga nurses natin na parating from the Philippines?
When it comes sa pupunta sila dito, yung sa setup dito, as
Yes,
compared sa...
sir. And given, sir, na ang magte-train din sa kanila ay co-Filipino nurses din nila.
Well, okay naman, ma'am. Kasi yung mga nagta-training naman sa amin na Filipino nurses dyan sa Philippines, saka dito is well-equipped naman sila when it comes to teaching us. Kasi sanay naman sila mga high-tech equipments dito eh. So, ang maganda lang din naman kay Town is hindi ka naman nila pakakawalan sa isang assignment or client na talagang hindi ka talaga totally prepared.
Mhm.
So, adyan na may orientation talaga kami, ma'am.
Okay. So talagang, kumbaga sir, it's about preparing yourself then na parang, kasi kung ang mindset mo ayoko nito, ganyan, hindi, ikaw yung mamimili. Somehow magkakaroon ba ng problem, sir? So, paano po kaya yon if ever may mga nurse na gusto nila sila yung mamili, eh kung hindi naman talaga applicable for them yung patient, sir?
Well, actually naman, ma'am, ang maganda naman kasi kay Town is binibigay naman nilang client sa'yo is yung within your skill level. Hindi ka naman nila bibigyan, ma'am, ng patient na alam nila na hindi ka pa qualified kasi ibibigay sa iyo yung very difficult
Mhm.
patient. Ganun, ma'am. They are, yung when it comes sa pagbigay nila ng client, they are basing that sa skill level mo.
Mhm.
So,
Okay.
I hindi naman magiging problem yun, ma'am. And when it comes na mamimili ka ng patient, ang drawback doon is paano ka matututo kung parati ka lang nasa ano mo,
Comfort zone, sir.
comfort
Mhm.
zone, 'di ba? Anyway, kung may problema naman, andyan naman ang parent para i-guide ka. Andyan naman si town. Andyan naman ang mga case managers na pwede mong tawagan. So minsan, ma'am, ang nagiging problem lang kasi is siguro yung sa nurse na rin.
Mhm.
Kasi kung hindi ka lalabas sa comfort zone,
Mhm.
hindi ka magtuturo talaga.
Mhm. Okay po. Ayan. So, technically, sir, that's a very good insight kasi sabi nga nila, kung bigyan ka ng patient, you have to trust your trainers.
Yes,
Diba,
ma'am.
sir? Mhm. Mhm.
Hindi
Ayan.
nila ibibigay ang
Mhm.
client sa'yo na parang ano ba yun, na hindi kaya ng skill level mo. Mm.
Ayan. So,
Right?
thank you with that. Mhm.
Yes. Hindi sila basta bato ng nurse sa mga clients din.
Mhm.
Talagang ginagawa nila ng perfect match talaga, nurse client.
Ayan. So, I think our nurses would certainly believe you, sir, kasi you've been there for like,
Oh
again,
yes.
3 years. And that experience of Sir
Oh,
Karamat really is really reliable.
oh
Ayan.
yes.
Mhm.
Kasi kung hindi naman ako maligaya sa town, di sana. Yes, na ako, di ba, at the end of my contract. Pero kita nyo naman, I'm still...
Ayan. So, thank you so much, Sir John, no? Ayan. Sir, ask ko lang, let's go back for you extending your contract, no? And, sir, what kind of difference do you feel you're making by staying longer kay town?
Well, when it comes to staying longer with town, well, syempre ma'am, andyan na naman yung mga perks na uh, hindi ka pwedeng exclusive na lang mag-work sa kay town. Syempre, pinapayagan ka na rin nila mag-work sa iba. Oo. Kasi syempre ma'am, let's face it, dito sa Amerika naman ma'am, you cannot just work one job.
Mhm.
Yes. Kailangan, maski 2 jobs meron ka. Yun lang naman ang maganda ma'am kasi syempre, pag end ng contract mo, andyan na papipiliin ka di town. Anong araw ka ba available? O, and at the same time, syempre, may negotiation na. So, ang nangyari kasi ma'am is yung previous salary ko, syempre tumaas na ng konti yun.
Mhm.
Yes. So, ayun. Syempre, when it comes sa talks with town, syempre ma'am, nasatisfied naman ako sa mga in-offer nila. Kaya, nag-stay rin ako.
Okay.
Hindi ko pwedeng i-divulge kung anong mga Mm,
Oo, sir, no. Pero at
yeah.
least, the fact na our nurses were informed that right after the contract with Town Kids, there would still be an opportunity being open
Yes,
para
of
po
course.
sa mga nurses natin. Mhm.
Ang si Town naman mismo mag-reach out sa iyo, ma'am, na about your contract extension kung gusto mo.
Mhm.
Mm.
Ayan.
Mag-reach out sa iyo, ma'am. Hindi naman ikaw ang pwede extend yung contract ko. No.
Mhm.
Siyempre, ma'am, siyempre, parang family ka na rin nila. Kaya as much as possible, gusto ka nila i-retain.
Mhm. Okay, sir. So, nabanggit niyo po you were given an offer, no?
Mm.
And, sir, upon hearing all those offers and perks, of course, mas flexible ng schedule ninyo.
Oh, yes.
Was that an easy decision for you na, okay, magstay ako kay Town?
Well, of course, ma'am. Very easy decision, ma'am, na magstay ka na sa town. Kasi, ah, yung mga gusto mo nung sinabi mo kay town, like, salary, binigyan ng ito yung net ko. Pero much more binigay ni town sa akin. So well satisfied ako when it comes to that. And at the same time, pinapili ka na yung schedule na available ka. So sila na ang naging flexible para sa iyo, 'di ba?
Okay. Yeah.
To na ma-retain ka lang. Sila na naging flexible.
Ayan.
Very thankful ako ron. Kasi uh, it made my decision much easier. Mm.
Ayan. Actually, sir, no, I can still recall our first interview and up until now, the way you answer it, parang happy talaga ako kay Town. Like, Town gave me this kind of experience working with Town. And if ever, sir, no, time would come, of course.
Mm, yes.
In that span of 3 years, sir, let's just stick with the 3 years, sir, nagtrabaho kay Town. Can you share us your favorite memory, no? Ano yung pinaka di mo makakalimutan, sir, bilang pediatric nurse ni Town Kids?
Well, syempre ma'am, hindi mo yung mga favorite memories mo dyan is yung na-acknowledge ka ng parents, yung na-acknowledge ka ng school, ng patient mo, nabibigyan ka nila ng award sa school, na for being, yun nga, sa sinasabi nila, ikaw raw ang best nurse na nakita nila for your client. And at the same time, syempre pag may occasions like yung birthday or
Mm.
yung Christmas, ang parent is nagre-regalo sa'yo, binibigyan ka ng card. Yun nga lang, ma'am, syempre, yung sa card, hindi ko man pwede i-post sa ano na, or
Mhm.
private, private message na ng ano yun eh.
Ng
Na,
patient, sir, no?
yeah, ng parent sa'yo eh. Kaya, ay, sorry nga, hindi ko na lang siya pinopost. Eh, syempre, those are private messages para sa iyo. Pero yun ma'am, nakikita mo and there are times na kakausapin ka na, sasabihin nila sa iyo na very thankful sila, highly appreciated ka nila. So yun ma'am, nakakataba ng puso yun. Pag sa ganun.
Okay.
Pero ang pinaka number one dun is yung makita mo lang yung alaga mo araw-araw, tapos pagkagising niya, ngingiti siya sa iyo, or sa hospital, post-anesthesia siya, paglingon niya sa kwarto, makikita ka niya, ngingiti siya. So, yun.
Mhm.
Oh, hmm. Yun
Yung
ang mga,
certain connection, sir, no?
pardon ma'am?
Yung certain connection, sir, specific connection between you and your patient and the
Oh,
family.
ano na yun, it will last, parang yung sa lifetime namin,
Mhm.
maalala siya. So, kahit na matagal na akong wala sa kanya, may isip ko pa rin siya. And
Mhm.
vice versa rin. Hmm.
And I think, sir, yun yung po, yung parang pinaka magiging legacy nyo kay Town, no? That you really, like, give your all and your best in
Hmm.
helping out your patient
Hmm.
specifically.
Well, actually ma'am, yun ang napapansin ko naman sa mga nurses sa town eh. Most of them na-appreciate ng family kasi yun ang ano natin mga Filipino nurses ma'am eh. Yun ang quality natin eh, na caring.
Mhm.
And always extra mile ang binibigay natin na service. Which is alam kong yun ang gustong-gusto nila.
Opo. Mhm. Ayan. Sir, meron po ba kayong tips sa mga nurses natin and na kumbaga nahihirapan all throughout, no? Or tips kung bakit po nagstay si Sir John at naging
Mm.
happy in the span of his contract kay Town? Ano po yung mga naging secret ninyo? Ano po yung naging work ethics ninyo, sir, in that span of 3 years?
Okay, ma'am. Siguro number one, ma'am, is mahalin mo yung trabaho mo. Ba? Huwag kang papasok na for the sake na papasok ako kasi kailangan ko kumita eh. Mahalin mo yung trabaho mo
Mhm.
para sa patient mo dahil ito ang gusto mong trabaho. The first place, bakit ba nag-apply sa pediatric nurse kay Town? Di ba? Siyempre, most of the time, sasabihin monetary. Pero pag titignan mo, ma'am, dapat ang ano natin is, in the first place, ano ba tayo? Nurses tayo. Kaya dapat, ma'am, ang ano natin is mag-show tayo ng compassion, love sa patient natin, and so especially yung sa trabaho, ma'am. Mahalin natin yung trabaho natin. So,
Mhm.
siguro mabibigay kong ano, ma'am. And syempre, ma'am, sa mga natin sa Pilipinas, lalo na ngayon na nagkakaroon ng retrogression, huwag kayong mawalan ng loob kasi kung talagang para sa inyo ito, makakarating at makakarating kayo dito. Sabihin na lang na sa ngayon, ang daan is traffic. Pero makakarating ka rin sa pupuntahan mo.
Tama, sir. Rush hour, kumbaga, sir, no?
Rush hour ngayon eh. So, pero eventually, makakauwi ka rin dito.
Tama. Yan.
Patient ka, huwag tayong magkukulang na magdasal.
Okay. Thank you, Sir John, for that tips, no? And para po sa mga nurses natin, future nurses coming with Town Kids, ang secret po ni Sir John, mahalin mo yung trabaho mo. Kasi, of course, it will never be easy. Hindi naman palaging smooth sailing, di ba, sir? But if
Ma'am,
you love your work, if you love what you do, it makes everything easy somehow.
and of course, ma'am, huwag tayong matakot na sasabihin natin na naku, mukhang mahihirap ang mga case na
Mhm.
pupunta sa akin. Huwag tayong matakot sa ganun, ma'am. Lumabas tayo sa comfort zone natin kasi kung sasabihin natin na gusto lang natin para mga easy patient, hindi tayo mag-grow dito.
Mhm.
Oo. Basta
Ayan.
kahit magkaroon ka ng tiwala sa sarili mo na kaya mo lahat. Well, like, kala ko dati nung pagpunta ko rito at my age, kala ko hindi ko siya kaya. Hindi ko lang kaya gawin ng mga bagay dito. Yung pala, nagawa ko din pala. Mm.
Mhm.
So, yun lang,
Ayan.
ma'am. Kailangan talaga lumabas sa comfort zone mo. And the most important thing is, willing kang matuto ng bago.
Yeah. So thank you so much, sir, for that very insightful um story or thoughts po, no? And as much as I'd love to, sir, no, talk about you or talk about the Town Kids more, for my last, sir, last na tanong na
Okay.
kasi, you're busy din po. Um, Sir, for your journey with Town, for 3 years of working with Town Kids, um, kanino po kayo pinaka-grateful or what's one thing you're really grateful about?
When it comes to working with town,
Yes, sir.
well, syempre, ma'am, pinaka-grateful ko is, buti na encounter ko, ma'am. Anyway, chance lang yun, ma'am eh. Nag-scroll ako sa social media tapos na encounter ko nga ang town. So, ayun. Tapos, during the pandemic kasi, nagkaroon ako ng, what do you call that? Hindi ako nakapag-work ng 1 year. So, di ba, usually, pa mag-apply ka sa US is kailangan ang, ano mo,
Current, sir. Mm.
parent ka. During that time, nung nag-apply ako sa town, although maraming years na ang experience sa Pilipinas, nagkaroon nga lang ako ng work gap. So, thankful ako, ma'am, na nadaanan ko sa social media si Town. Then, nung tumawag ako, I think I was able to talk with Miss Sheila during that time. So, ayun, inorient ako. Then, sabi niya na mayroong general orientation. Then, after nun, tuloy-tuloy na, ma'am. Hanggang sa, ayun, nandun nga yung sila Miss Mindy, kakausapin kayo, may mga orientations. Then, meron tayong immigration lawyer na nag-a-answer ng lahat ng questions mo. And basically, ma'am, ang maganda doon is si Town talaga ang masikaso ng lahat. Not unlike, ma'am, pag ikaw, other agencies or gagawin mo by yourself, medyo mahirap
Mhm.
na process eh. Hindi katulad ni Town na pinadali niya yung lahat. And I think during that time, it was January. Basta
2020 ba, sir? 2021?
I think January 2021 that I applied with Town. Tingnan mo, ma'am. After alis na ako. So doon pa lang, ma'am, grateful na talaga ako sa Town. So ang ginagawa ko lang naman siguro, ma'am, ngayon is, syempre, kahit paano, return of service ka Town. So my gratitude din. Kaya yun din sa mga reason bakit ako nag-extend. Diba? Kasi kung hindi dahil kay Town, who knows, baka nasa Pilipinas pa rin ako ngayon.
Ayan. Thank you so much, sir, no? On behalf of Town Kids, we're really grateful then sa iyo, sir, sa service ninyo, and for you giving another extra time para po sa ating mga kids, of course, in the New Jersey, no? And sir, I'm actually speechless, no? I'm always inspired every time I get to talk to you, sir. And thank you for always giving us this opportunity. And I know halos lahat naman, sir, ng mga nurses na nanonood, for us to see successful story, no?
Yes.
It's really a big thing, and thank you so much, Sir John, for giving us an inspiration. And sir, for the last time, bigyan na lang kita din, of course, sa pagkakataon. Baka may gusto kang batiin, sir, no? Mga families here in the Philippines. Baka do you have any plans of going back here? Bakasyon?
Yes.
The floor is yours, sir.
Agendas natin makapagbakasyon sa Philippines hopefully this year. Yes. And syempre shoutout sa mom ko, sa daughter ko, and sa son ko who's gonna be here June 13. Bakasyon na niya sa school, ma'am. So he's gonna be staying here for 2 months.
Ayan. So I remember, sir, na kwento mo yung anak mo, sir, no?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Nursing student din, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Well, definitely, ma'am. Sasabihin ko rin sa kanya na
future.
Interested din naman kasi siya, ma'am, na maging pediatric. Hindi lang, ma'am, yung anak ko, pati yung isang pamangkin ko, nursing din. So, ayun.
Future Town Kids nurse ba, sir?
Pero ko rin sila kay Town.
Ayan. So, thank you so much, sir.
Yes, ma'am. And I hope na naging inspiration din ako sa ibang nurses dyan na syempre, always follow your dreams. Hindi, ang dream kasi, ma'am, hindi lang porket bata ka, makakapag-dream. Medyo may edad ka na, basta dream big. At walang parati ng pag-asa, and dasal lang ng dasal. Kasi ang pagpunta rito sa Amerika, ma'am, ano yan if pa talagang para sa'yo. So, just process, especially sa Town. Alam ko, ma'am, pag nandiyan ka na sa Town, nasikaso ka na nila, tuloy-tuloy na yun. Huwag na painit.
Ayan. So again, that's coming from Sir John. And if to our nurses watching right now, sir, you're still looking for a sign, at baka ito na po yung sign to push through with your American dream. Okay? So, may mga sasabihin ka pa ba, Sir John? Baka any last words, message for our nurses watching?
Okay, sa mga nurses dyan, hi. So, naman natin ngayon, medyo may retrogression or medyo pero trust the system na lang tayo. And sa mga nurses na kay Town ngayon, sa Pilipinas, basta trust the system tayo. Makakapunta ka rin kayo rito. Ay mainip. Yun lang, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, Sir John. And again, thank you for all of our viewers right now. Again, my name is Janica. I'm the recruitment supervisor of Town Kids. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Hanggang sa susunod po. Maraming salamat. Bye, everyone.
Bye.